Tired of guessing where your team's time is going? Let's unlock the power of Clockify's reporting features to gain actionable insights in just a few easy steps. First, navigate to the Reports section in your Clockify workspace, found on the left-hand side menu. This is where all the magic happens. You'll land on the Summary report here. You can get a quick overview of time tracked. Focus your report by selecting specific projects or users using the drop-down menu. Set your desired time frame using the date picker to analyze data from a specific period. For a more granular view, explore the detailed report. This report allows you to group time entries by different criteria such as project, task, or user, giving you a breakdown of exactly how time is being spent. Need a weekly snapshot? Head over to the weekly report. This report neatly organizes time entries by day, making it easy to spot trends and identify potential bottlenecks. Once you've customized your report, export it in your preferred format like CSV or PDF for further analysis or sharing with your team, and that's it. You've successfully harnessed the power of Clockify reports. Use these insights to optimize workflows, improve productivity, and make data-driven decisions.